Hello my beautiful one, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a curly wig. Yes, as you can see, I'm going to be using this very cap right here. You can use any cap of your choice. This is the hair that I'm going to be using. Anyway, at the end I use one pack in this very wig. This is the hair right here. This is the how the baby quest is looking like. I'm just going to divide it into three, then I'm going to dip it inside the water so that it can be easily to separate. Yes, that is the reason why I am dipping it inside the water. Without dipping it inside the water, it's not easy. Yes, I just pick a little pieces and then I grab it. That is the way that I'm going to be fixing all the old cap. Then I twist, then I give a nice knot, and I leave just a little bit at the tip just to give that nice coil. So you can see, I just open it, I take it through the hole, I tie it down, then I twist, then I give it a nice knot, and that's all. That is the way that I'm going to be filling all the old cap. And let me and the cap that I just started, I turn the cap upside down. This is the back of the Yes guys, now I'm going to flip the cap. This is what I was trying to explain to you guys. Now I just put the cap normal and I start surfacing my bouncy coils again, my baby coils, which I'm going to be taking it very closer, especially at the front. I take everything closer. Just keep on watching and you will get the technique I use in this very wig. Yes, guys, this is the end of the wig. Oh my god, this hair looks so cute. Look at the front. You can't even tell that it's a wig. You can't even tell when you put it on your head that it's a wig. The way I did the front, the way I started from the beginning by turning the cap, starting from the back of the cap, and ending it up like this, guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. As you can see, it is only one hair I used. I will love to see you all in my next one. Bye.